In this video, we are going to see how we can delete the donation button in the Please Donate game easily by just following simple steps. So if you want some button to be removed from your game on the stand and Please Donate, here's how you can easily do it. So first of all, what we will need to do is just head over to roblox.com and sign in with your ID. And from here, we hit create on the top. So that donation button is basically created from the passes. So let me show you how we can delete those passes. So if we head over to the creations, in here, you will see your place. If you see it public, that's great. But if you see it not playable, you might need to fill in a questionnaire that you will see on the top and you hit submit to make it public. So we just select the place from here. And from here, we just need to remove one. So we scroll down until we see monetization. We head over to the passes. And if you know passes are shown up here, like you can see here, but if we see it in game, there are a lot of passes. That means you might be using some other ID. You might be logged in with some other ID. So just make sure that you are in the right ID. Let me just log in again from the different ID. And from here, we head over to the creations. We select our place. We go to passes and we can see multiple passes are listed here. So for example, I want to remove this one. You click on that, whatever you want to remove. From here, we will select sales and we just toggle this off. Item for sale, we just toggle that off and click on save changes, and that will allow you to remove the donation button in Please Donate stand. And if we now go to back to passes, you will see that when it is off sale, it will not show any Robux price for it. So that's how you can do it. Now, what else you can do is you can head over back to the dashboard and creations main screen. You head over to the avatar items. And from here, what you can do is just, for example, you have created some shirts. You need to search for those shirts. And from here, you just select and scroll down and make sure that this is on off sale as well, if you don't want to list it in the stand. And if not, you just open this up and just toggle this off to remove it from the stand. And that's about it. That's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.